Have you ever wanted to grow financially but felt paralyzed by fear? Fear of failure? Fear of losing money? Fear of what others will say? What if I told you that wealthy people feel fear too? They just deal with it differently? Today, you're going to learn 5 powerful steps to overcome fear and develop a mindset built for success and wealth. Acknowledge the fear. Most people deny their fear. Wealthy minds acknowledge it. They don't pretend to be fearless. They ask, "Why am I afraid?" Understanding your fear is the first step to disarming it. Write it down. Define it. You can't conquer what you won't face. Reframe risk as opportunity. Fear often hides behind the idea of risk, but wealthy people see risk as a tool. Where others say, "What if I fail?" they say, "What if I succeed?" They calculate risk, prepare for it, and move forward anyway. Build financial confidence. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's built through action. Start small. Create a budget. Start saving. Invest $5. Each step strengthens your confidence muscle. With every small win, fear begins to fade. Surround yourself with brave thinkers. Fear thrives in isolation, but when you're around people who are thinking big, fear feels smaller. Wealthy individuals network with mentors, growth-minded friends, and take courses. Energy is contagious. Surround yourself with courage. Act before you're ready. Here's the truth. You'll never feel 100% ready. Wealthy people act before they feel fully prepared. They know clarity comes from movement, not perfection. The longer you wait, the more fear grows. Take the leap. Course correct later. Visualize your wealth. Future. Wealthy people see their success before they reach it. They visualize their ideal lifestyle: freedom, impact, abundance. This clarity pulls them forward when fear tries to hold them back. Take 5 minutes daily to imagine your future with emotion and detail. Your brain begins to believe it and work toward it. Turn setbacks into training. Fear says, "If I fail, it's over." The wealthy mindset says, "If I fail, I learn." Every setback is a training ground, not a stop sign. The faster you fail, the faster you grow. Reframe every loss as a lesson that sharpens your future success. Your fears aren't facts, they're just signals. When you shift your mindset, you shift your future. Start using these 5 steps today, and you'll be shocked at what you're capable of. Because on the other side of fear is freedom.
Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more mindset and life mastery.